Hi, welcome to NADA 2024. My name is Mike and I'm with Rotary. Today we're going to talk about our AC offering. We have a dedicated 134A machine, 5.7-inch screen, standard 50-pound tank, which is about 60% larger than the standard 134A offerings out on the market. We're going to move on to our YF-enabled machine. It is a true dual gas, the one we have here, and it is a full Android tablet. And both machines also have dual fan condensers and bottle heater standard. What that does is improves efficiency and speed of use for your technicians in your shop. Come see me or any of us at the Rotary Booth 2401, and we'll be more than happy to go over all the feature packed benefits of how this can improve efficiency in your shop.